Dear students, in this chapter now we are going to talk about the 3 R's in the chapter number 11, E for environment. So the 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. So let us know what is the reduce. So reduce means to use less and not waste. So this is what we should do to reduce the wastage, right? Like we should turn off the water when we are washing the dishes or we are brushing the teeth. So until we don't have the work with the water, we can reduce the consumption of water. So let's see what we can do to reduce. Buy products with no or little packaging. So this is also one of the great things, that we should use the things which can be which has the less packaging. Right now you have seen a lot of people are going with their own bags instead of taking the poly bags. So this is how we can reduce the use of the poly bags. Then put the packaging in the correct recycle bin. So if you have brought the things, then you have to choose the correct bin to recycle it, right? For example, you can see paper is in one thing, glass is in the another bin, then plastic is in the another bin, and metal is in the another bin. So the waste can be segregated and can be used. Then reuse. So reuse means using a thing again for the original purpose or for a similar purpose is called reusing. Like you can see, the paper can be converted into a paper bag. So you can see here there are different things which can be reused. So you can even wrap your gift with the newspaper and you can give it to your friend, right? Then you can use the tires for the swings. You can see the child was happy to do that. Then there are lot of cloth bags are there which can be reused. So you can use the cloth bags as well. Okay, then now what is the recycle? Recycle is the process of producing a new product from used or waste material. So you can see there are many examples which can be recycled. Like we can recycle the paper, plastic, glass, wood and iron. So you have seen it also at home. Alright, so paper से paper bag बनाया जा सकता है. Plastic bottles you can refill it and you can use it for some time. That is the reuse, and then you can put it into the recycle bin where they can be recycled into something else. So you have seen a lot of DIYs these days on the YouTube channel where you can use these DIYs to do uh, to make new things with the glass, plastics, wood, iron, etc. So this is all about the reduce, reuse and recycle. So you can see here is the glance. So what we should do to reduce? Use less. So first of all, we should use less things. Then buy less. Nothing to got anything which you already had at your home. Then avoid wastage. Then turn off lights, take shorter showers and carpool. So these are some of the ways which can be used to reduce. So I hope it is very clear what is the reduce. Then reuse is use things more than once. Like use cloth shopping bags. So we can use cloth shopping bags for few more times rather than the plastic bag. Then repair. If the things are not uh, on the place, you can repair it. Like we can go for the repair of our sandals, shoes, etc. instead of buying a new one. Then re-gift. If you are getting some gift and if you already had that, you can re-gift it to someone else. Then try travel mugs. Don't buy the those plastic mugs. Instead of that, use travel mugs so that you can drink water in those mugs and you will not waste the plastic. And then compost. I already talked about the compost, right? Then recycle. Recycle means to separate waste material so that recyclable products can be transformed into something new. So we have already talked about the recycle. Anything which can be recycled, put it into the recycle bin so that something new can be formed, like newspaper can be formed with the waste paper. So this is the recycle of the paper. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am the Earth. Yep, the very planet you live on. There are 3 words which start with the letter R, which I love. They are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Do you know why I love them so much? Because they are almost magical words. They can make all living things, as well as myself, be happier. I said that they are almost magical because without your help, it won't work. They need all of you children in order to do the trick. Each and every one of you are the real 3 R's magicians. Those 3 words which can change the world. Do you want to know how? Yes? Well, let's find out. The first R is for reduce. If you think about it, there are many things you don't need. When you go to the supermarket, I'm sure you can take your own canvas bags instead of using disposable ones given to you. Like that, you will be reducing the amount of plastic, which is very contaminating. And I'm sure that you don't need to print out so many documents or photos, nor leave lights, television, or computers on when you're not using them. If you remember this, you'll be reducing the amount of paper being used as well as energy, and in turn will be helping to reduce the contamination. And these are just a few examples. I am sure you can think of many more different ways to reduce what you are using or creating unnecessary waste. The following question will help you with this task. Do I really need this, or is this just a whim? The second R is for recycling. Now, it is easier than ever to recycle things we don't need anymore so that they can be reused. Near your home, you can find places like the recycling station and containers for cans, plastic, paper, or organic waste. They each have specific colors to make it easier to identify. By using them, you will avoid contaminating nature, the rivers and seas, as well as the atmosphere, which is the air we breathe. And finally, we have the third R, which refers to reuse. How many things do you think we can reuse again and again instead of throwing them away? Let's see. A piece of paper that has only one side printed on, a carton box, a plastic bottle. You think now. With just a little bit of imagination, I'm sure you can come up with many more exciting and fun new uses for them. And remember, if you apply the 3 R's rule, you will make me a much cleaner planet with less contamination and where we can all enjoy a better life. Because, as you know, children can make the world of difference.
Thank you.